Hey music lovers! A great digital piano can completely change your playing experience, giving you the feel of a real piano with modern features and convenience. Whether you are a beginner, just starting out, or an experienced player looking for portability and great sound, there's a perfect option out there for you. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best digital pianos that deliver amazing sound, realistic key feel, and great value for every level. Links to all products are in the description. Now, without further ado, let's dive in. Number 5, Alesis Melody 61 MK4. Starting off our list is the Alesis Melody 61 MK4, a fantastic entry-level digital piano designed especially for beginners. If you're just starting your musical journey, this keyboard gives you everything you need in one complete package. It features 61 keys, which are perfect for building finger strength and learning the basics. While it's not a full-size keyboard, it's more than enough for beginners and younger players to get comfortable with playing. One of its biggest highlights is the massive sound library, offering 300 built-in sounds, 300 rhythms, and 30 demo songs. You can explore different instrument tones like piano, strings, guitars, and more, making practice more fun and creative. It also includes features like split mode, layer mode, and built-in effects like vibrato and sustain. What really makes this stand out is the complete accessory bundle. You get a stand, bench, headphones, sheet music holder, and even access to online lessons through Scoof and Melodics. That means you can start learning right away without buying anything extra. It also includes a metronome, 5 recording mode, and USB MIDI connectivity for connecting to a computer or learning apps. Plus, it's lightweight and portable, so you can easily carry it anywhere. Number 4, KONIX Foldable 88 Key Piano. Next up is the KONIX Foldable 88 Key Digital Piano, a unique and highly portable option for musicians on the go. What makes this keyboard special is its foldable design, allowing it to fold in half for easy storage and travel. Despite its compact design, it features 88 full-size semi-weighted keys, giving you a more realistic piano feel compared to smaller keyboards. The touch-sensitive keys respond to how hard you press, allowing for expressive and dynamic playing. This keyboard is packed with features, including 128 tones, 128 rhythms, and 20 demo songs, along with functions like split mode, dual voice, recording, and metronome. It's perfect for beginners who want a full range of features to practice and experiment with. Another major advantage is its Bluetooth and MIDI connectivity. You can connect it to apps like GarageBand or learning software, making practice more interactive and fun. It also supports USB connections for music production and recording. The built-in rechargeable battery offers up to 10 hours of playtime, which is perfect for travel, outdoor practice, or performances. And with the included carrying bag, it's incredibly easy to take anywhere. If portability is your top priority but you still want a full 88 key experience, the KONIX Foldable Piano is a fantastic choice. Number 3, Yamaha P225. At number 3, we have the Yamaha P225, a beautifully designed digital piano that offers a perfect balance of realism, sound quality, and portability. So Yamaha is known for its high-quality instruments, and this model lives up to that reputation. The P225 features 88 fully weighted keys designed to mimic the feel of an acoustic piano. The keys are heavier in the lower range and lighter in the higher range, just like a real grand piano, giving you a truly authentic playing experience. One of its standout features is the CFX Concert Grand Piano sound, which delivers rich, expressive tones with natural resonance. Whether you're practicing or performing, the sound quality is incredibly satisfying. It also includes 24 different instrument voices, allowing you to explore different sounds like strings, organs, and bass. This adds versatility to your playing and keeps things interesting. The P225 is also designed for modern players, with API integration through Yamaha's Smart Pianist and Rec and Share apps. These apps make it easy to control settings, record performances, and share your music. Despite its advanced features, the piano remains lightweight and portable, making it suitable for home use or small performances. Number 2 are Roland FP10. Taking the runner-up spot is the Roland FP10, one of the best digital pianos in its price range. Roland is famous for its premium sound technology, and the FP10 delivers an impressive experience for both beginners and experienced players. At the heart of this piano is the PHA 4-weighted keyboard, which provides an incredibly realistic touch similar to an acoustic piano. The keys even have an ivory-like texture, improving grip and comfort during long playing sessions. The FP10 uses Roland's supernatural sound engine, which produces rich, expressive piano tones that respond naturally to your playing dynamics. Whether you play softly or aggressively, the sound adapts beautifully. It also features Bluetooth MIDI connectivity, allowing you to connect to apps and learning tools wirelessly. This makes it perfect for modern learners who want to use interactive apps. Another useful feature is Twin Piano Mode, which splits the keyboard into two identical sections. This is great for lessons, allowing a teacher and student to play side by side. With its compact design, powerful speakers, and high-quality sound, the Roland FP10 is perfect for home practice and serious learning. Number 1. Yamaha P45. And finally, taking the top spot is the Yamaha P45, one of the most popular and reliable digital pianos for beginners and intermediate players. This piano features 88 fully weighted keys with hammer action, delivering a realistic acoustic piano feel. It's perfect for developing proper technique and transitioning to a real piano. The P45 includes 10 high-quality instrument voices, including a beautiful Yamaha grand piano sound with deep bass and clear tones. While it may not have a huge sound library, it focuses on quality over quantity. One of its biggest strengths is its simple and user-friendly design. With easy controls and minimal distractions, you can focus entirely on playing and improving your skills. It also includes a sustain pedal, built-in speakers, and USB connectivity for connecting to computers or music software. The compact and lightweight design makes it easy to move around, whether you're practicing at home or taking it to lessons. Overall, the Yamaha P45 offers the perfect balance of realism, simplicity, and performance, making it one of the best digital pianos you can buy. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best digital pianos. Whether you're a beginner starting your journey or an experienced player looking for a reliable instrument, there's a perfect option here for you. Don't forget, links to all products are in the description below, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews. See you in the next one.